Hello, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Molueni, and a warm welcome to the Maths Genius video tutorial series brought to you by SABC Education. In these tutorials, we help you unleash the mathematical genius in you by showing you key mathematical concepts and how you can master them for success like a true genius.
Today we're going to be talking about subtraction of polynomial fractions, of which the way that you've always subtracted fractions is exactly the same way, where the rule is that the first thing you have to achieve is to make sure that your denominators are equal, and if your denominators are equal, then you simply subtract the numerators. For example, let's say you have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, right? So the first and foremost thing to achieve here is that you want the denominators to be equal. And a simple way of achieving that is to take each of the denominators and multiply by the other. So it will be 2 times 3, which will give us 6. So we can use 6 as the target number, as the target denominator, because in this case, it is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So to achieve 6 here on the first fraction, we will multiply by 3. But what you do on the denominator, you should also do on the numerator, so that you preserve the value of the fraction. Then this side, to achieve 6, you multiply by 2, multiply by 2, such that this would be 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3, 6, minus 2 over 6. And if you subtract that, it will be 1 out of 6. So the most important thing that we want to emphasize is that the denominators have to be the same for you to be able to subtract. That's very important. Now, going back to our polynomial fraction, you find that it's the same concept. There is nothing different, only that here there's an x and there's no x. So let's look at our denominators, 4 and x minus 5. This will be their product. So this is what we want to achieve, because this is their lowest common multiple. So what we're going to do is, for us to achieve this side, we have to multiply this one by x minus 5. And what we do to the numerator, we also do to the denominator. So we're going to do that, x minus 5 as well, so that there's a preservation of the value of the fraction. And then this side, to achieve this product, we have to multiply by 4 and also multiply by 4. So in so doing, we have actually made the denominators the same, such that it's going to be equal to, so let's expand that, it's going to be x squared minus 14x plus 45 minus 8x minus 12, everything over 4x minus 5. So we could use one denominator here because they are now the same. So we can use 1 like we did over here, right? So it's equal to x squared minus 22x plus, that's 33, right, over 4x minus 5. So you've added your, you've subtracted your polynomial fractions. So the most important thing to take home is that addition and subtraction of fractions is just the same as you've always done. Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Unleash your mathematical genius today. If you have any maths questions, you can post them for free on www.mathsgenius.co.za or email them to info@mathsgenius.co.za.